All right, here we are. Here we are with the CHP, the first annual car show. Look at that beauty. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, here I am. Come out and join us today. Via Road in San Diego. Over 200 cars today. And what a great event. Raising money for fallen officers and their families and student scholarships. Lots to see, lots of beautiful cars. My car made it. Can you believe that? It made it. I want to thank my buddy Ralph for helping me put the rear end in there and get that thing on the road. I know I forgot to do the skirts. It's okay though. Anyhow, we're here and come on out and join us. We got this 911 car. 911 is coming up, so got a car from 911 and we will never forget. Look at that. All right, we got a lot of old police cars, and of course we got CHP. Shout out to the CHP for putting on this event. Got some beautiful Stangs as well. And amazing muscle cars. Got a few hot rods, more than a few hot rods. Something for everyone. Something for everyone. Look at this 1939 Ford. That is a beauty right there. Look at this. Look at this one right here. Oh, that's amazing. I want to take that home. So lots to see, lots to do. CHP's brand new facilities, Via Road in San Diego. Oh, look at that old timer. Oh, look at that. Look at that one. I wonder what kind of engine he has in that thing. That looks amazing. Yeah, nice, beautiful Mustang. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Lowriders. My buddy George's lowrider right there. That's bad right there. Look at that. Look at that. Marissa's car. You probably saw her car in the video that I posted up not too long ago. Just a nice event. Nice Mustang. Beautiful. Look at that one right there. Great cars here. Come check them out. Come and support. All right, for a great cause. Let's do it. Let's do it. Make sure you like this and share it if you can. Like, share it, and make a comment. Make a comment. I'll take the comments. ¿Cómo estás? Looking good. Looking good. Beautiful. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Oh, look at this one. Oh, yeah, look at that. So we got some good vehicles here. Some beautiful vehicles. Once again, some award-winning cars. Some fun cars as well. Love it. Like, comment, and share. Like, comment, and share. Ooh, look at this color. We can't really see it. Let me turn it around. This is a beautiful color. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. There you go. You got a little bit of everything. Look at this one. Where did they find that beautiful wagon? Wow. I think my dad had one of these. Look at that. Something for everyone. Oh, that's a beauty too. Look at that. All right. Come and join us. All right. Like, comment, and share. Everyone's invited. This is free, open to the public, by the way.
So why aren't you here with them?
All right, look at that. They even brought an old school bus. All right, I'm signing off. You guys be good.